Stand out and shine. Mastering Distinguish Oneself in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in English conversations and writings: distinguish oneself. Understanding this expression can be a game changer in how you perceive success and achievements. So, grab your notebook, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Distinguish oneself is a phrase that carries the essence of setting oneself apart from others in a positive and notable way. It's about achieving something remarkable or displaying exceptional qualities that make someone stand out in a crowd. This could be through accomplishments, skills, behavior, or contributions that are admired and recognized by others. To truly grasp the phrase, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. She distinguished herself early in her career by inventing a new technology. He distinguished himself in the field of literature with his unique writing style. They distinguished themselves as volunteers, dedicating countless hours to help those in need. Notice how the phrase is often followed by, or in, indicating the area or manner in which someone has excelled. Distinguishing oneself isn't just about personal achievement. It's about making a meaningful impact in your community or field. It's about leaving a legacy that inspires others and contributes to the greater good. In a world full of competition, standing out for positive reasons can open doors to new opportunities, relationships, and growth. 1. Identify your strengths and passions. Understand what you're good at and what excites you. 2. Seek continuous improvement. Always look for ways to learn and grow in your area of interest. 3. Be proactive. Take initiative and don't wait for opportunities to come to you. 4. Contribute to your community. Look for ways to make a difference and help others. Distinguish oneself is more than a phrase. It's a powerful concept that encourages us to strive for excellence and make a positive mark on the world. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and inspired you to think about how you can distinguish yourself in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember, every step towards distinguishing yourself is a step towards leaving a lasting legacy. See you in our next video.